3 is a magic number. Yes, it is. It's a magic number.
You are now an undercover agent.
Somewhere in the ancient mystic
You're
trinity,
so full of it.
you get 3
Practice with me.
as a magic number. The past and the present and the future, faith and hope and charity, the heart and the brain and the body give you 3 as a magic number. A man and a woman had a little baby.
Me made strap it in.
Yes, they did.
And she's totally fine.
They had 3 in the family. That's a magic number.
And around for all my friends from the UAW.
Really?
No. 3!
Yeah.
That's a magic number.
See for yourself.
Stöð 3, Krakkarásinn og tónlist.is fyrir aðeins 2.990 krónur á mánuði. Tryggðu þér áskrift á stöð3.is og þú far fyrsta mánuðinn frítt með.